Hi everyone, are you having trouble sending your autoresponders? If yes, there's a high chance that your contacts are not even part of the autoresponder cycle. Stick with me till the end of this video. I'm Pedro and I will help you fix it. Right now we are in the autoresponder page. You can access this page by going to menu autoresponders on the top left. And we are here because I want you to check the list associated with your autoresponder, as it can be one of the reasons your contacts are not receiving the autoresponder. Also, if the status is on, and cycle of the day, if it's 0 and if they are joining the correct day, and also the settings, if the message is supposed to be sent immediately or later on. Make sure you don't have specific days selected, and if you do, make sure to wait for those days before you assume the message was not sent. And once you have everything checked, our list is Cookie Monster, and now I will go to lists here and I'll check my contacts. We mentioned Cookie Monster, so let me find it here. I'll click on it, and now I will show you two ways to move the contact to the autoresponder cycle. One of the ways is just by clicking on the contact, and you would just go here, autoresponder day, and then we actually want 0, as it will match our autoresponder setting. And once that's done, that's it. As the message is supposed to be sent immediately, this will take just a few minutes and the message would be sent to this contact. And the other way is to go here to the 3 vertical dots, then move to lists. And the trick is to move the contacts to the same list where they already are. And this will simply update the autoresponder cycle. For example, you will check this box and select the autoresponder here and just move. You will see that this updates, and then once again it's just a matter of time till the message is sent. Now we will go over one of the reasons why your contacts were not added to the autoresponder cycle, and I already have the website builder opened here. I'll just go to the tab, and I'm just in the editor, and this is one sign up form that I added. Just have to click on it, subscription settings, and add to autoresponder cycle. Also make sure to check the list here, and we want to day 0. Then you would just save, and you can do the same if you have an external form or landing page. It will be the same process. You just make sure to go to the settings and have that. I hope you found this video helpful, and I will see you in the next one.